So I look like this, and I want to be like this. Well, let's talk about this and let's think about this logically. So when you go and see your surgeon for a consultation, you're already on the right path. Firstly, the amount of donor density you have is fixed by genetics. We cannot change that. That's the first point that needs to be determined. Secondly, what is the area of demand on the top of the scalp, or which other parts of the body you want to have hair transplanted to. If there is a discrepancy between the amount of supply you have and the amount of demand you have, that's going to cause an issue in terms of results. Or there may have to be a modified approach in terms of how to get you coverage. The bottom line is this ratio between donor to recipient grafts is very, very important, and we must always be cognizant of this, because the last thing we want to do is to rip reserves from one area and to make that area look over harvested and done in terms of surgery just to give to another area. Surgery results should always whisper, look natural. You should not look done. We need to pick and choose where we want to have maximal impact versus coverage, and always remember, as surface area of graft coverage goes up, density goes down, and as surface area of coverage goes down, density goes up. Always remember this, you will not get lost during the consultation. Thanks very much.